Okay, so this is the follow-up video of the probable answers of quarter 2 modules. Anyway, module 5, days 1 to 3. Again, these are the probable answers of quarter 2, module 5, days 1 to 3. Okay, hi to my students of grade 10, Mathematics 10. Mathematics 10. And just hope nga napamoy copy diha sa inyong modules. Unya, bisag nabasa na unya inyong gibulad. Panhug lang o basin mabasa pa ninyo. Tanawa lang ang inyong modules aron mo maka-follow sa atong lesson 1, lesson 2 o lesson 3 sa module 5 quarter 2. Okay, so doon ako'y mga 12 viewers sa akong gihatag ganina nga video, pero sad to note that only one give the comment of Joseph Lander Butcon. Thank you so much, Joseph Lander Butcon. So shout out to you, guwapo. Mao na ni ang mga probable answers sa quarter 2, module 5, lesson 1. So ako ning gibuhat tungod kay aron nga because until now wala pa gyud ko nadawat nga mga tubag kaninyo, siguro because of the bagyong Odette, sa kasagsagan ng bagyong Odette. So na damage yung mga modules ninyo. Kaya I will give you the probable answer, so you can follow this video and you can have your answer. Dili lang nako paspason aron nga inyong ma-track ang answer. Kay ug ako isang i-video ato sa Messenger, sure ko magputod-putod gyud ug maglibog na jud noon mo. Because ang akong capacity sa Messenger only 20 seconds. So taas-taas man ni kay lessons 1, 2, and 3 man sa module 5, quarter 2 module 5. So mao na ni ang mga probable answers. Ang atong topic ini is all about what's that? Geometry. So ang atong lesson 1, answer ini for the what's more lesson 1. Okay, so take note, lesson 1, what's more. So you are given statements and reasons. You are given statements and reasons. For number 1, you are given a statement, then I will give you the probable reason. Number 1, which lines are tangent to the circle? Then why? Which lines are tangent to the circle? Then why? So the probable answer for the reason, okay, take note, the probable answer for the reason is line LK or line LKS and line LM or line LMK, because each line intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. Again, the probable answer is for the reason line LK or line LKS and line LM or LMK, because each line intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. Next, statement number 2. Statement number 2. Letter A. Which angles are formed by the secant lines? Which angles are formed by two secant lines? Probable answers. We have angle KOM or angle MOK. Again, probable answer. angle KOM or angle MOK. So I hope nga nag-follow mo sa atong video using your modules o naa pa. Kaya according to Lander, ang iyang modules dito kuno nabutang dito sa ilang bintana o niya nagisi-gisi. Gisi gani ang scene kanang module pa ba? Diba? Mauna nga bitaw. According to Lander, ang iya kunong modules nabutang dapit sa bintana because of Odette nagkagisi-gisi jud. Grabe jud gisi-gisi. Mo na nga gisi gani ang scene, labi na ang modules. Okay. So we have letter B. Letter B. A tangent and a secant line. A tangent and a secant line. So the probable answers. Angle SKN. Angle is KN or angle NKS and angle PMR or angle RPM. Again, the probable answer for the reason angle SKN or angle NKS and angle PMR or angle RPM. Muna, answer sa statement number 2, letter B. Another statement, which lines are secant? Which lines are secant? Okay, so we have the answer is or are, we have line KM or line KNO, line KM or line KMO, and line MP or line MPO. Line MP or line MPO. For statement number 4, name all the intercepted arcs in the figure. Which angles intercept each of these arcs? Again, the statement, name all the intercepted arcs in the figure. Which angles intercept each of these arcs? So, the probable answers. Number 1, we have line MP is intercepted by angle PMR, or angle PMR is intercepted by arc MP. Number 2, line NP and line KM are intercepted arcs of angle KOM. Lines NP and line KM are intercepted arcs of angle KOM. Number 3, probable answer. Line KN or arc KN is intercepted by angle NKS, or angle NKS is intercepted by arc KN. Then number 4, probable answer of statement number 4. Line KM and line KMN or line KPM are intercepted arcs of angle KLM. Intercepted arcs of angle KLM. Again, fourth probable answer. We have line KM and line KMS or line KPM are, or arc KM and arc KMN or arc KPM are intercepted arcs of angle KLM. And we have fifth statement. At what point does each secant intersect the circle? How about the tangent? Okay, probable answer number 1. Secants at points N and K and at point P and M. Again, Seconds at points N and K are at points P and M. And we have the tangents at point K and at point M. Again, probable answers, secants at points N and M and at points P and M. The second probable answer, the tangent at point K and at point M. So, mao na answer sa lesson 1. I-pause na lang, then og na di jud nimo na ka ang sunod, ibalik lang ang video. Okay, lesson number 2, what's more? Lesson number 2, what's more? We have problem number 1. So, problem number 1, the probable answer is 56.52 square centimeters. Again, the probable answer is 56.52 square centimeters. Number 2, 52.77 square centimeters. 52.77 square centimeters. And number 3, the probable answer is 28.26 square centimeters. 28.26 square centimeters. Aron ma-prove gyud ninyo, kung doon na mo'y time, kung dili mo maglisod, kay almost 100% of the students muiyon gyud nga lisod gyud ang mathematics kay dili man face to face. Pero namoy time pag himo sa solution, i-check na lang ang answer sa lesson 2. Number 1, again, 56.52 square centimeters. Number 2, 52.77 square centimeters. And number 3, 28.26 square centimeters. And those are the probable answers of lesson number 2, quarter 2, module 5, days 1 to 3, or lessons 1 to lessons 1 and 2. Let's proceed to lesson number 3. What's more? Again, you are given statements and reasons. Kung ang gihatag diha statement, so ang inyong answer will be the reason. If the given is all about the reason and the answers are in the statement. Okay. Lesson 1, letter A, what's more? Lesson 3, what's more? Letter A. Okay, let's start the probable answers. The given here first is the reason. Okay, look at your copy. Radii of the same circle are congruent. Radii of the same circle are congruent. The probable answer is the symbol tanawa. So we have line MS. So MS, then ibutang ang ibabaw ang line. Arong pagbasa na is line MS. Sure ko nga sa inyong lower mathematics gitudluan mo unsaan pagbasa sa symbol, especially in geometry. So we have line MS is congruent to line LS. That is the probable answer for the given reason. So we have line MS is equivalent to line LS. Here we have the second column, the second line. The given is line EL is perpendicular to line LS. And line EM is perpendicular to line MS. Again, the given or statement. We have line EL is perpendicular to line LS and line EM is perpendicular to line MS. So the answer or the probable answer for the reason, a line tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Again, the probable answer for that reason, a line tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Next, given statement, triangle ESM is congruent to triangle ESL. Triangle ESL. Again, triangle ESM is congruent to triangle ESL. The probable answer, the reason, hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. Again, the probable answer, the reason, hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. And next, we have line EL. The reason is CPCTC. CPCTZ. And the answer, probable answer for that statement is line EM is congruent to line EL. The probable answer is line EM is congruent to line EL. Okay, so ning pakpak ang atong video card, meaning mao na to'y inyong answer. So mao to'y answer, probable answer sa letter A. Probable answer sa letter A. Nahog agahang ting ipaniud to kay. Okay. So di sa ko maniud to kay humnon sa na akong video. Next, mao ni answer, probable answer sa letter B, lesson 3. Letter B, lesson 3. Again, you are given statements and reasons. Dudaghan ra ba ni? Dudaghan ra ba ni? So we have statement, the measure of angle in MK is equal to the measure of arc NPK. The measure of angle in MK is equal to the measure of arc NPK. So the probable answer for the reason, the measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Again, the measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Next, the given reason. The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote anterior angle. Again, the given reason. The measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote anterior angles. The probable answer in symbol for the statement, the measure of angle in MK is equal to the measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle in LK. I will repeat. The measure of angle in MK is equal to the measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle in LK. Mao nay probable answer. Okay, the given is statement. We have the measure of angle QOM is equal to the measure of arc QM. The measure of angle QOM is equal to the measure of arc QM. What is the probable answer? Here is the probable answer. The measure of a central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Again, the probable answer, the measure of a central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Next, we have The given statement is measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle MKO is equal to 90 degrees. Again, the measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle MKO equals 90 degrees. The probable answer, the sum of the measure of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Again, the sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Next, we have the given reason. The sum of the measures of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of the measures of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So these are the probable answers. Number 1, the measure of angle KMO plus the measure of angle MKO plus the measure of angle KOM is equal to 180 degrees. Again, write this in symbol. The probable answer, measure of angle KMO plus the measure of angle MKO plus the measure of angle KOM is equal to 180 degrees. Next, the given statement and the given reason. So you have the measure of angle KOM is equal to 2 times the measure of the arc KM is equal to 2x. The measure of angle KOM is equal to 2x. What is the reason? We have addition property. The measure of arc KM is equal to 2x. We have the answer is transitive property. Given na tanan ang statement of reason. So let's go to another reason. The given reason is multiplication property. Multiplication property. And your answer is, we have 2 times, or open parenthesis, the measure of angle MKL, then close parenthesis, equals the measure of arc KM, or we have the measure of angle MKL is equal to the measure of arc KM, or the measure of angle MKL is equal to 1/2 times, or open parenthesis, the measure of arc KM, then close parenthesis. Again, 2 times the measure of angle MKL, open and close parenthesis, is equal to the measure of arc KM, or the measure of angle MKL is equal to 1/2 times, open parenthesis, the measure of arc KM, then close parenthesis. So, hapit na gyud ta mahuman. Another reason is by substitution. By substitution. So, here is the probable answer. Murag, taas-taas ni siya. In symbol. So, we have 1/2, then open parenthesis, measure of arc and PK, close parenthesis, is equal to 1/2, then times, open parenthesis, the measure of arc KM, then close parenthesis, is equal to the measure of angle NMK is minus the measure of angle MKL is equal to the measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle in LK minus the measure of angle MKL equals the measure of angle in LK. So, mao na iyang symbol. Akong tron kay taas-taas ra ba? We have the probable answer for that by substitution. we have 1/2 times open parenthesis the measure of NPK is equal to 1/2 times open parenthesis measure of RKM, then close parenthesis, equals the measure of angle in MK minus the measure of angle MKL equals the measure of angle MKL plus the measure of angle in LK minus the measure of angle MKL equals the measure of angle in LK. And we have last reason. We have by substitution again. By substitution again. So therefore, we have the measure of angle in LK is equal to 1/2 the measure of NPK minus the measure of KM. Then close parenthesis. Again, we have the measure of angle in LK equals 1/2 times the measure of NPK minus the measure of KM. So the reason is by substitution. Okay, so those are the answers of Quarter 2, Module 5, days or lessons 1, 2, and 3. I hope nga nag-follow mo with your modules. Unya kadto way mga modules while tanaw mo sa video, you're going to get your answer sheet. Bahala na og scratch paper, then adto na lang i-transfer ngadto sa inyong answer sheet og naapay inyong answer sheet nga akong gihatag og wala gani, so of course ato na lang mo sa inyong papel basta kay mabasa. So dili na lang ko mag-require og bond paper o whatever, basta kay mabasa ang inyong answers. So again, maayo na lang og naagyoy inyong ikapas kaysa wala gyud. Kay to tell you frankly, kung pass lang yun mo, so of course dako-dako inyong grado o wala gyud ipas. So makapasan man noon, pero dili gyud pareha sa ubang estudyante nga ning pass. Although this video of mine is not compulsory, ako lang ning giniini kay ako anto ibutang dito sa Messenger. I am sure maglibong mo sa mot kay ang capacity sa diri sa Messenger only 2 seconds. Nya kini taas gyud ning video. So for the assessment, kuha na lang. For the assessment sa answer, sunod na lang module, siguro akong paningkamutan nga makahatag ko sa probable answers. Dahil karon sa module 5, dili sa ko kahatag ninyo sa probable answers. Okay? Just follow my blog so that you can pass your modules 5, 6, 7, and 8. Anyway, wa pa mo ko maghimo sa quarter 3. So ako lang sang ipa-check ninyo ang inyong answers, kanang naapay answers. Kung wala po, makahimo man ko mo. Then follow din i-write lang sa answer. Kung itong naka-answer na, i-check lang kung okay na ba i-pass aron ma-perfect yun ang inyong answer. So dili man po ni ingon nakalabag ko kay sa atong division nga mga modules, walang ko makapas anak kay gamay ra usab akong nadawat. Ikaduha, nakahuman naman ko og print sa akong modules, unya ako gimong gipanghatagan tanan. Pero sa quarter 3, ang printed modules nga estudyante maura gyud makadawat sa printed, unya kadtong mga digital, so digital na lang gyud ninyo. So I just hope nga you can follow my blog aron makakita mo sa answer nga sakto-sakto aron sa makasabot mo gamay. Kasi wag gyud ko ikahatag nga video about our lesson sa quarter 2 modules 5 to 8, wala gyud mo mahibalan. So mayon na lang ni nga pamaagi nga makaiwa mo. Again, this is not compulsory. So katong wa pag yun maka-subscribe nga kung maka-estudyante, palihog lang subscribe aron mo maka-follow sa kong videos by hitting the notification bell so that you can follow some of my videos of my our lessons sa mathematics team. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye. This is Castor Ayuban, your teacher in mathematics team.